Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to download Rednote app on iPhone. So, you're using an iPhone and then you want to get the Rednote app on your iPhone to replace the TikTok application, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to download the Rednote application on your phone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Then once you open the App Store, click on the spotlight search at bottom right. Then you want to search for the Rednote application. Now once you search for Rednote, you'll see Share, Connect and Love. Then click on the Rednote app to open it just like this. Then at the moment you can see the Rednote application is currently turned on the social networking app. Then click on Get. Once you hit the Get button, just hang on. In some cases, you'll be prompted to type in your App Store passcode or double click to install. Then confirm your Face ID. Once you double click the side button on your phone or you double click on the home button on your iPhone, then you should see the Rednote application downloading. Now, once you've successfully downloaded and installed the Rednote application, then you should say Rednote, Share, Connect, Love. Then click on Open button to open the Rednote application. Then, or better still, exit the app screen, come back to the app screen on your iPhone, and then click on Rednote to open it. Agree terms and conditions, then create an account. So that is exactly how to download the Rednote app on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.